What's up guys, Sammy here, and today I've got an unboxing and review of the Hauppauge WinTV PCIe TV tuner card. This TV tuner allows you to watch, pause and record up to 4 TV channels on your PC all at once. The card supports Freeview DVB-T2, DVB-T and digital cable DVB-C. So taking a look inside the box, we'll find the PCIe TV tuner card itself, the unique WinTV serial code, and a quick installation guide. Next you'll find an IR receiver cable for use with the IR remote control included in the box as well. Lastly, you'll find a half-height bracket for low-profile PCs. Taking a look at the card itself, it features a green PCB design, and personally I would have preferred to have seen an all-black PCB design, but this is a small feat nonetheless. On the back of the card you've got that F-type connector for your TV antenna, and an IR cable input for use with the remote and the WinTV application. Installing the card into a PC is straightforward, as you can place it into any PCIe 1X or 16X slot. The case I'm using today is the Thermaltake Core G21TG. To begin, I'll remove the side tempered glass panel off of the case, remove the 2 screws at the back to remove this cover, then remove the second last PCIe slot cover. From here, I'll place the TV tuner card carefully into the case, ensuring it fits nicely into the PCIe slot. Finally, I'll install the screw found from the slot cover we just removed and repeat the steps to reinstall the cover and tempered glass panel. After plugging in our digital antenna, it's now time to proceed with the installation of the WinTV version 8.5 software package, and I'll put a link in the video description to where you can find this. Note that the drivers for the TV tuner card are included within the software package. After you've installed the WinTV software, it'll prompt you to enter the serial code, and you'll need an internet connection for this step as activation is required. Next, let's configure the TV tuner. In my case, I'm using Freeview DVB-T, which is what is used within Australia. At this stage, you can begin scanning for channels in your area, and you have the option of deciding what channels to keep and or remove after scanning is complete. Taking a look at the WinTV application, after going into the settings options, we have some options including being able to change video rendering options, where our recordings are saved, updating the EPG guide manually, setting up favorite channels, parental controls, and other advanced options. From the main interface, starting from the left, you've got options for opening up the settings window, displaying information about what you're currently watching, opening up previous recordings, and the ability to take a snapshot of what is on screen. Displaying subtitles is also available. In my case, I wasn't able to get them to work on any channel though. Further along, you've got a shortcut to the context menu, and this can be accessed as well just by right-clicking anywhere within the window of WinTV. Next, we've got options for manually recording, time-shifting options including stop, pause, rewind, and fast forward, and channel up and down. Lastly, you've got some volume controls as well. From the context menu, you've got a lot more options including finding channels to watch, a 4-tuner picture-in-picture mode which does exactly what it says. However, I'm not too sure how I would actually make use of this, if only for maybe live news for different perspectives. I like that you're able to hide the top title bar and have the window floating on top of other windows while you're doing other things. Taking a look at the TV guide, from first start you'll need to manually scan the EPG for the first time. See, it would be better if this was performed during the setup though, as it does take quite a bit of time to update. From the TV guide, you're able to easily record TV programs on a per schedule or season basis. After a show is recorded, you can view it from the recording tab. From using the WinTV application for the past week, I can tell that it runs pretty smooth, where time shifting works well. However, I did notice a glitch here and there with changing channels. Hauppauge also include that basic IR remote control for use with the WinTV application, and I actually found this to be really useful. The buttons on the remote feel really responsive and work as you'd expect. So would I recommend a TV tuner such like the Hauppauge WinTV PCIe TV tuner card? I think it really depends if it's worth having, if the content in your area is worth recording. See, there are some shows that I would like to watch that I haven't been able to find on catch-up TV. So there is that to consider. However, if you don't see yourself recording more than 2 shows at once, then it's probably not worth it to you. That said, if you live in a country like the US, then you have a lot more content to choose from, and this to me makes a lot more sense to have. So would I recommend purchasing this at the end of the day? I feel like this is more of a want than a need type of product, but it is nice to have. In an upcoming video, I'll be taking a look at the functionality that Plex and its live DVR features bring to the table, as you're able to use the Hauppauge WinTV-quadHD PCIe TV tuner card with it. Anyways, that's going to wrap it up for this unboxing, walkthrough and review. A special thanks to Hauppauge for sending out the WinTV-quadHD PCIe TV tuner card. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a like and subscribe. But yeah, hope you guys have an awesome day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.